What's up, YouTube? Second oil change today. Just did my TU250X earlier. Video is going to be coming out soon on that. Next up's TTR230. I want to go over real quick why I'm changing the oil. Last time out, the first to second shift was becoming a little difficult. It was like it didn't want to shift. And normally on a sport bike, that's a sign of the oil is breaking down. So I'm going to change the oil. I bought this bike used. I do not know how many hours are on it with this oil, but I have everything to change it. Quick tip. Before I change the oil on any dirt bike or any bike, really, I usually wash it just to try and get all the dirt or anything that might hurt the engine or in the engine, get it where it's removed, especially oil where the cap's open. So anyway, this will be my first time changing this oil on this bike, so it'll be a learning process as we go. I do want to point out though, the oil filter is behind here, and the drain is actually down here, which is a rather large drain plug. I guess the strainer's in there too, so that kind of makes sense. It's an 8mm for the oil filter housing and a 5mm Allen, 19mm for the drain. I have 10W40 and 10W40, supposed to be 1.1 quarts. All right, so that's one thing I didn't realize is look at the difference in bolt lengths. So please make sure you put them back right. Also, there's an O-ring inside. Make sure that stays with the cap. I am just going to put the cap right here. I don't plan on doing anything more with that. Let's see. All right, so supposedly these oil filters are reusable. You can clean them. I have a new one I'm going to put in, but I'm going to save this to reuse because looking at it, it's really not in that bad a shape. All right, so new oil filters installed. Make sure you put it in correctly, and when you take it out, pay attention to how the other one comes. Pay attention to how the other one comes out. This is the new oil filter, high flow 143. All right, so next I'm just going to reassemble the cover. I did warm the bike up before bringing it in here, so the engine, or it should be warm. Wow, not nearly as tight as I was expecting. So here's the sprig and strainer for the oil. I'm just going to give this a quick clean spray with some throttle body cleaner and call it good. Spring, I don't know if you can see it, but it actually will kind of screw into this to hold it. You can kind of see where it's got like teeth to hold the spring in place. So All right, drain plugs reinstalled, new oil filter installed, cover installed. All right, so that's 1 quart. I'm gonna add a little, it says 1.1, I'm gonna add a little bit from this one. So let's see if it starts.